Hello, welcome to Propars. Propars is a powerful AI-supported integration platform that enables you to manage your e-commerce processes end-to-end across more than 100 global marketplaces. Not only does it provide integration, but our expert team also serves as a know-how center to help you successfully manage your e-commerce on marketplaces. In this video, I will explain both our working model and the powerful capabilities of the Propars panel. Welcome to your Propars panel. When you enter your panel, the first thing you see is a team screen that greets you. On this screen, you select the meeting day together with us to plan what we will do in the upcoming processes on global marketplaces and to grow your business operations. After carefully making your final selection, on the precisely scheduled day, you will meet your highly dedicated expert who will efficiently manage all your e-commerce processes across the various marketplaces. To ensure your success, the journey that Propars has prepared for you begins with your product, price, and competitor analysis. We turn these three insights into a clear business plan. We complete the regulation and compliance processes. We set up your marketplace stores. By connecting to your ERP, WMS, and web systems, we create a single source of truth. We prepare conversion-focused, visually rich A+ content. We streamline your logistics and return processes and increase visibility and sales through marketing. Propars brings everything together so you can scale with confidence. When your products on your Shopify website are integrated with Propars, all your products are automatically reflected in your Propars panel. All these reflected products are updated every 30 minutes on average your inventory, prices, and any new products are added again if there are any. All incoming products are reflected in your panel, including their variants and detailed specifications if available. Our advanced AI system automatically redesigns your product content for marketplaces using the words and phrases people in those countries actually search for, look at, and perceive, so your listings match what local customers are looking for. All keywords, all titles, and every detail are redesigned to make your products highly purchasable. Here, it's not just a single language. However many countries and languages you want to sell in, these adjustments are automatically made and prepared in all those languages. If you have product photos, they are updated to the AI system, and all requirements and regulations related to the marketplaces are applied. Once your products are ready and visible on the platform, if you wish, you can organize the distribution plan for your products to warehouses in over 40 countries where Propars is integrated. Regarding this, your specialist will work with you to plan which product is best shipped from which country. If you want to set different pricing for different countries, you can do that as well. You can completely update your product photos from scratch. You can redesign all of them. In other words, you can design everything you need while doing e-commerce. Throughout all these processes and at every step, your 24/7 assistant will be working alongside you. Once all your preparations are complete, you can list your products for sale on marketplaces, and for however many different marketplaces you want to list them on, you can carry out the listing process together with our team. All orders collected from the platforms will automatically appear on the order screen located in the left menu. Here, you can make adjustments to all your incoming orders based on which country and which warehouse they will be shipped from. All of these adjustments will be carried out automatically. The system will automatically direct whether a product will be shipped from your own warehouse, a contracted warehouse, or directly from the marketplace. The tracking code for the shipping will be obtained and sent to the marketplace. During this entire process, your product might be on sale on as many as 50 different platforms at the same time. All 50 of these platforms will be updated instantly. So when you make a sale on eBay, your inventory will automatically update for Amazon Germany as well, without you needing to take any additional action. Or when you make a sale on Amazon, Etsy will be updated automatically. And when you make a sale on Amazon Germany, Auto will also be updated automatically and the processes will be completed.